Welcome back. This is Daily Politics, and we're getting straight onto the discussion proper, because we're discussing insecurity in the North in search of solutions. So, Prof, let me welcome you to this program once again. You were here once, and today you're here again on this specific series. So far, you know, the crisis in northern Nigeria, the insecurity crisis, the security are many, you know, and varied as well. The Boko Haram in the northeast. You have the religious and communal conflicts in Jos, Kaduna, and parts of these areas. And then you have the banditry going on in the northwest as well, and other sundry crimes that also cause a lot of insecurity across the state. How do we even begin to approach these issues in terms of solution to them?
Yeah, like you said,
yes,
all this insecurity from Boko Haram to the communal crisis in the plateau to banditry, this is in the north. And even if you go down south, they're all different. The genesis are different. The causes are different. The solutions are different.
Interesting.
I'm a doctor. You cannot write a prescription for a patient until you hear the patient, examine the patient, arrive at a diagnosis, and then write a prescription.
Interesting.
So, the first thing is to know the causes, the genesis, and see how you can solve them.
Okay.
And all these crises, all of them, problems are local. Solutions are local, not from Abuja. Big plans from Abuja without consulting stakeholders have not worked, will never work. So the key is, just like Gandhi said, whatever you do for me without me is against me.
Interesting.
Government does not listen. This is how government does not listen. I'm old enough to have seen 13 administrations from General Yakubu Gowon retired to this government.
Interesting.
Never seen a government that does not listen. Disconnected from realities of our people. You have to listen. You cannot throw big plans from Abuja and expect things to work. Banditry that I know.
Yes.
I and
You're speaking a lot about
absolutely.
that. Yes.
And I speak from strength. Because we risk our lives, Sheikh Gumi, I, and the rest of the team, we ventured into the forest in 8 states, in frontline states. 5 in the northwest and 3 in the north central. Why did we go? Because the default for all of us, especially the so-called elites, is to fold our arms and blame government, or forward WhatsApp messages, or say Allah saw you. Well, our children and grandchildren will ask each and every one of us, what did you do when your people were going through this?
Interesting.
Not Buhari, 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 Buhari. Buhari has less than 2 years to go, and his deed will be done. This problem will be here.
That's precisely, that's where one of the red flags, you know, is.